And let's see how cold it gets, and let's see if I'm gonna get rained on. That is the question. There you go, there you have it. In the clouds. I can literally touching the clouds right now. Woo. Alright guys, I'm back where we left off. Just saw a sign, elevation 4,000 feet. I'm being told this thing goes up to 11,000 feet. So, yeah, it's gonna get, look at that. It's gonna get super chilly. I'm already feeling the temperature drop. Still got non-stop hairpin turns up on this road. Yeah, if you can see my map here, it's just literally just squiggles all the way up the mountain. I haven't seen many bikes yet. Except, I mean, those are bicycles, but I've seen bicyclists so far. Haven't seen many motorcycles yet. I'm sure it's because people are at work. It is a Tuesday morning, and I don't know how many people that are tourists rent bikes and do this. This is beautiful, man. That's awesome. A lot of drifting. If only I was good. If only I was good, I could tear these roads up, man, but nope. Not a street Rossi here. That was terrible. I'm trying to I was telling myself in that curve, look where you want to go as opposed to looking down. I'm still not the best at doing that, which is part of what makes you a good rider. I can't believe this guy's climbing this, man. I would hate my life doing that. Alright, let me try it. Okay. I want to try to stop at some of the views too. This looks pretty amazing here. Yeah, I'm gonna stop here for a second. I do want to enjoy. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. I do want to enjoy some of the scenery here as well. As fun as this road is. Check this out. That's amazing. That is gorgeous. Alright, how many miles do I got left? 7.2 miles to the top. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to ride, because I don't want to get stuck behind cars. And I'll try to Try to take pictures maybe on the way down. Looks like there is some cloud cover, so I'll be going into the clouds soon. Was hoping it wouldn't be that bad. Maybe I can spend some time up there and it'll clear up. So I'm gonna keep going up, try to stop and take some pictures on the way down. And let's see how cold it gets, and let's see if I'm gonna get rained on. That is the question. Will I get rained on? Still not terribly cold, although chillier. Press, 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 lean, look where you're going, yeah. Another bicyclist. Man, these guys are gonna beat me down on the mountain with the way I'm riding. That's sick, dude. Excusez-moi. Don't target fixate, don't target fixate. I can't believe I'm the only bike up here, man. Like motorcycle. It's kind of interesting, but okay. Whatevs. Maybe because it's not a weekend. Alright, I think I'm going to get another shot from up here before I enter it into the clouds. There's a pull-off. Not really a pull-off, but yeah, I'm going to do it just because I'm going to restart the video again. Don't want it to get too long again. Check that out, man. Amazing. Alright, see you guys in a few. Alright, we're back. Same spot, guys. Heading up. It's telling me I got 5.7 miles to the top. 14 minutes. Still not with the head in the clouds just yet. Don't think I'm gonna get a clear view. Must have dilly-dallied for way too long when I got the if only it would clear a little bit. That would be awesome. Maybe I'll get lucky and the clouds will clear a little bit. Hopefully. If not, I may try to do this a little bit earlier again on a day when I can tell that it's clear up here. But it was clear in the morning, so I'm assuming I kind of just waited too long. Okay, nah, that's not a good line. Cows? Okay. I'll be careful. Still not quite in the clouds yet, but almost there. Getting close. I think I'm about there. This is so amazing, man. That's not good. I can kind of hear the chain. I can kind of hear the chain rubbing. Yep, and I think I'm officially in the clouds because I can see them. A nice view. I'm gonna stop there on the way back. There you go. There you have it. In the clouds. I can literally touching the clouds right now. Woo. I don't know that it's gonna clear. And about to get stuck behind another car. I wonder if these guys are climbing their bikes up. It's kind of crazy to me. It is a little bit clear up there, but I don't know if that's gonna help the view. Okay, okay, that explains it. They get shuttled up here. That's cheating. That's cool. I guess that's one of the attractions here. pedal biking down Haleakala. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Love the courtesy. Love the courtesy. See, that's all you gotta do, man. That's all you gotta do. Just let people pass. Oh man, beautiful. Okay. A lot wetter up here. Wow, this is, it just turned into like complete forest all of a sudden, from like the valleys with no trees. This is dope. Yep, all wet. Okay, I'm showing traffic back up here. I wonder if this is the pay station. And if it really is backed up, I'm seeing some orange and red. Nope. Not really. Just Google lying to me. It's not that bad, just that. Alright. I'll be back, guys.